Hello, my name is Bill Halter. I am a design engineer at Belco Glass in Vineland, New Jersey, USA. Today, we are going to look at some of the specifications and features of our large capacity bottom drive roller apparatus. This unit was designed to roll bottles with an OD of 110 to 120 millimeters and has a usable roller length of 510 millimeters. It would accept two 850 centimeter squared bottles per position for a total of 176 bottles. You can see we have 11 decks with 8 positions per deck. We removed the rear guard of this unit to better demonstrate and show the features off. This is the all-position drive, which transfers motion to each roller with a belt. Some other units rely on the bottles themselves to transfer motion from the driven pulley to the non-driven pulley. That is not ideal for lightweight bottles if you happen to be using plastic. They are not heavy enough to properly transfer the motion. On the front panel, the direction of the rotation is selectable by turning the power switch right or left for clockwise or counterclockwise rotation rather. The front casters are lockable to prevent any unwanted movement or accidental movement while in the lab. Our PID loop is integrated into the touchscreen and provides extremely accurate control. The material selected for our rollers is EPDM, which is both chemical resistant and non-transferring, so you won't get any residue on your bottles. A brushless DC motor was selected for maintenance-free operation. And the frame is made of painted aluminum, which is lightweight, still strong, and allows for better maneuverability. This unit also includes a motion alarm feature and a power failure feature. Now we can get into the motion alarm first. The green LED that is blinking indicates that there is motion and the sensor is reading the motion. If that were to stop, for instance, a belt breaks or the motor fails for whatever reason, it will trigger an alarm in about 2 minutes. We're going to cut and come back when it triggers. And we're back with the motion alarm triggered. You can see the red LED blinking and hear the alarm horn. Now, if this is a nuisance alarm, over to the right side of the panel is the silence button. And you can just easily click it, and that resets the timer for another 2 minutes during loading or unloading bottles. The other alarm that's installed in this feature is the power alarm. Inside this unit there are batteries that will last for about 18 hours if there is a power failure of some sort. We can demonstrate that by unplugging the unit. So you can hear the soft tone of the alarm as well as the solid LED is now blinking. Now that LED on the meter indicates the power level of the batteries themselves. So as it's running on battery power, that LED level will get lower and lower. Once it reaches the bottom, you have about 30 minutes left of battery power, and a secondary alarm will trigger. After about 30 minutes of the secondary alarm, the unit will shut down due to lack of power. Now, if during any of this time the power is restored, the unit continues operation as it was before the failure. Now on the side here, we have both power alarm and the remote jack for motion alarm. These are relay outputs that close upon alarm. So both the power failure and low battery alarm are in this connector, and the motion alarm is from this connector. They're good for external connections like an alarm or a light in another room to let somebody know remotely. The final thing I want to discuss today is the RPM change. This is a simple function, but it's very important to the unit. On the touchscreen, you simply press set point, type in the desired RPM, and press enter. And you can see it immediately start to change. The speed range on this unit is 0.05 to 6.15 bottle RPM. So this concludes our brief overview of our large capacity bottom drive roller app with all the alarms and touchscreen. Thank you for your time. Have a great day.